As a small YouTuber who is working towards monetization, you are having a small views, maybe less than 500 views, and you are thinking of how much can I make, or how much will YouTube pay me for all these small views that I am making on YouTube. That is the video I am going to make for you guys today, and I am going to break it down one by one, how much YouTube can actually pay for low small YouTuber content creator, and with my honest review. And before we get started, let's talk about YouTube partnership program. Before you can join YouTube partnership program, we all know that we need 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour within 365 days. And then if you are using shorts, that means is you must have 10 million views in 90 days to be able to join the YouTube partnership program. And this my video is going to specifically speak to the people that normally have a low view, that their views is not up to 1,000 views even before and after monetization, for you to know that it's not necessary to have a 1,000 views before you can earn on YouTube. If you can make more videos and then they have low views, and all the views that you have on each video will be accumulated to 1,000 views. So in case you are discouraged, or that your low views is making you to feel like you are not putting effort in your videos, I'm here to tell you that you are not alone. And if you are an inspiring YouTubers that love to come and be watching how much YouTube pays on YouTube, and you are thinking of starting a YouTube, I am telling you that now is the best time to start, because in the next 1 year or 2 years, you will also be the one advising people to start YouTube, because YouTube will be paying all your efforts in the long run. So in case you have watched to this moment and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and then give this video a thumbs up. Drop your opinion in the comment section after you watch this video. And without wasting much of our time, let's get started. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. So I'll be taking you into my phone now. So let's go into my phone. So we'll go to my YouTube studio immediately, and we start this. For my videos, I'll go to my analytics. I'm going to my content immediately, and then I'll go to my videos. In this content, I'm going to show you the first 3 top videos and then the last 2 under, so that you can be able to see the views that I'm talking about, in case you are having a low view. So I will tap on it so I can open all the videos. So you are going to first of all experiment this top video that is here, and this video is give it the overview. It has 333 views already, and then it has the total watch hour of 19 hours, and has given me 4 subscribers. And you can see that these viewers from this video is YouTube recommendation, and the channel page, watch hour, watch chat, and subscription feed, and others. Okay, so the top retention of this video is 3 minutes 26 3 minutes 26 seconds, and then that is what this video will go to the engagement rate of this video. This video has already have 5.9k view impression. Then you can see the impression click-through rate. Impression click-through rate is 4.6%, and then the views, and then this is how they find the videos: YouTube browse, channels page, YouTube chat, and suggested video. So we are going to the revenue, so that we can be able to know how much YouTube really pays on this type of video. And then most important thing is we go to the engagement. Then the engagement is this. We have already talked about the engagement. Then the audience, the audience of this video, you can see that the returning viewers is 33 and the new viewers is 233 in there of this video. And then we go to the revenue. You can see how much this have already given me, which is 97. This have already given me 97 cents, and you can see it's from watch page and then premium revenue. And if this video was able to make up to 1k views, you see that 1k is cost €2.90. So that is all about this first video. And then let's go to the next video, which is going to be this, which is the second one. So since published, this video has 194, and the watch hour on this video is 4.4 hours, okay, on this video. And then it has already given me 1 subscriber, and you can see how these viewers find this YouTube search, YouTube recommendation, playlist and channel. One thing I want you to take note is YouTube recommendation. If YouTube recommendation is above here, it means that your video is going to get more views if you have more YouTube recommendation than others. So YouTube recommendation is the top, okay. So, and you can see the audience retention is 1 minute 22 seconds of this video. And then let's go to the reach. This video has just reached how many people? 7.4k views. And then if 7,400 people have watched and it was only 194 that watched, let's see how much this video has generated. Okay, so immediately we'll go to the revenue of this video. You can see this video just generated 4 cents. So we are getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. And okay, so let's go to the next one. The third one is this video has already getting 151 views, and then the watch hour is 7 hours. Then it has generated 6 subscribers. And how viewers find this video, you can see YouTube recommendation. Take note of what I'm trying to say. YouTube recommendation, okay, is if is your top how you find this video is through YouTube recommendation, you will have enough, and you will see that even the revenue is going to be different from others ones. So the retention is 2 minutes and 55 from the 13 minutes video. And then we go to the reach. The reach of this video is 4.1k view impression. And then you can see how viewers find this video as well. And then the only next place that we are going to is we are going directly into the revenue of this video. So revenue of this video, you can see the difference. This video has made 83 cents compared to the one that has 100 and something, 194 views. And this video you can see this video has 151 views. You can see that the amount of views you make does not determine what I want to say. The numbers of views on each video does not determine how much that video is going to generate for you. What determines how much that video is going to generate for you is going to be how much your RPM on that video. The RPM on this video is €5.50, and the advertiser is willing to pay €13.32. And then if you go back and check the RPM of this video here, you will see that the RPM of this video is very, very low. Imagine 20 cents. So how do you 20 cents of, if that means if this video has 1,000 views, I'm going to make 20 cents per 1,000 views. I'm still going to ask you this question at the end of this video, and I'll be expecting an answer in the comment section. Okay, so let's go to another one. Let's do 4 video. Then this one has 148 views already, and it has 3.5 watch hour, and it has given me 1 subscriber. And you can see the difference here. YouTube search is the one that is top. So we are going to see how much this video has already generated. Let's go to the reach of this video. So the reach of this video, you can see this impression is 6.5k view. Then the impression click-through rate is 1.9%. Is very, very low. It's very, very low, but glory be to God that people are clicking on it. So let's go to the revenue directly. The revenue of this video is 17 cents. I don't know whether you are feeling me, that the amount of views on a video does not determine how much you are going to make. What is going to determine is how much is your RPM is going to be. RPM is the one that determines how much you are going to make on your video, which is the most important thing that you should put at the back of your mind, is your RPM. M. Okay, an advertiser is willing to pay 4 euro. You can see that no matter how much, well, no matter how 1,000 this, I'm going to make 1 euro. If eventually this video now got 1,000 views, it's going to be 1 euro I'm going to make. So be taking notes, be taking notes. That is how you are going to learn how to be doing analytics of your own video as well. I hope you are feeling me. So we are going to the last 3 down here. Let's start from this one with 75 here. So we'll tap on it. This video I already gotten 75 views, and then the watch hour is 4.4 and is 0 subscriber. And you can see the audience retention of this video is 3 minutes 35 seconds from a video of 11 minutes, which is not bad at all. Then we'll go to the reach of this video. The impression is 1.7k view, and the impression click-through rate is 1.3%. okay, so yes, already. And then you can see how viewers find this video. You can see this video does not even have a recommendation at all. So you can see that external, it has external, which is from Gmail. Okay, so let's go to the revenue, because we are talking about how much YouTube pays on this video. You can see this video has generated 67 cents. I don't know how I'm going to say it. This video got only 75 views, and the video that has 194 views generated 4 cents, and the video that has 75 views generated 60 something. I don't know whether you are noting what I am trying to say, because you see the amount, and then how much is advertiser you willing to pay on this video. You can see if I was able to make 1,000 views on this video, I'm going to get 8 euro 96 cents. So you can see what, I don't know whether you are seeing what I am saying. So 1,000, if I'm able to make 1,000 views on this video, that means I'm going to get 8 euro per 1,000 views. So you can see that this video, if it's still getting views, is still going to do more, and it's going to generate more money than those other ones that has the RPM at 20 cents. So you can see what I'm trying to say. So let's continue. Let's go to the one of 71. This video has 72 views, and then it already have 2.9 watch time, and I posted this video 6 days ago. It's already giving me 1 subscriber, and the retention rate is 2.2, and even in real time people are still watching it. So we go to the reach. The reach of this video is 3.9k views, and then the impression click-through rate is 1.4. And then the views, we have checked about the views and how viewers find this video. If there is no YouTube recommendation on your video, you are still not going to make more money. Okay, you are going to have less view, because YouTube recommendation is the top. So let's go to the revenue of this video. This video has generated 17 cents, and then per 1k views, you see that this video is 2 euro 46 cents. An advertiser is willing to pay 8 euro. You can see the one of one. You see, I'm making reference to the one of 194, because you can see that one really is very, very low, and I'll give you the reason why that one is very low. So let's continue to the last one, 69 views. So this one has 69 views, and then it has already generated 4 hours, and then no subscriber. And go to the reach. The reach is 1.8k views, and the impression click-through rate is 3%. And then browse feature channel page, you can see all this one does not only, and ChatGPT.com, the external site as well. And okay, so we can continue and go to the engagement. No, we don't need the engagement. We are going directly to the revenue. On the revenue side, it has generated 12 cents, and then you can see per 1,000k views, the RPM is 1 euro 75 cents, and the advertisers are willing to pay 5 euro on this video. So you can see that it is all this money that is going to accumulate and tell you and to be able to know how much you are going to generate at the long run. And you can see that in total, in general, on my video, that I cannot even go into others in depth, I've already made 8 euro on all the video alone. And then the short also, I make 98 cents on the short as well. And also those are the supers. I've already make 99 cents as well on all these videos. So you can see that I've really take you through all my videos one by one. So let's come back and continue. So this video is going to able to help somebody out there. Maybe you are struggling with views and you are still thinking how much YouTube is going to pay for my low views. That is the main point of this video, for you to know that there is still going to be hope at the end of a tunnel. You are still going to make money. Maybe you have been earning 1,000 views, then you now believe that it is only by that 1,000 views that you are going to be getting paid. No. Every time your views is growing little by little, you will still be earning from that little by little views as well. My question is that I want you to put the answer is, does YouTube worth it? Will you still continue doing YouTube, or you are going to quit? I want to have your honest answer in the comment section. But for my own personal advice is, if you are having a low views and you are feeling you are going to be discouraged, I want to tell you the story that once upon a time, those that are making more money, they start from low the way I am starting right now, so that in the nearest future, in the next 2 years, when I'm going to continue doing this type of review, you will see that my money is going to be up, simply because I am not going to give up, because I know this YouTube is going to start paying my bills very soon. So the same advice I'm giving myself, the same hope I'm giving myself, I am giving it to you right now. If you are watching me, that please don't give up on your channel. And if you are thinking of starting YouTube and you're thinking, wow, this is how much they're making, doesn't worth it, I'm going to tell you that if you start YouTube now, in the next 2 years and you have monetized, you are going to see that YouTube is worth doing. Okay, so, and if this video does satisfy your soul and help you, do well to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and drop your comments below based on the question that I asked in the comment section. And then know that we are in this together, all of us. We small YouTuber, we can grow and we can get monetized as well. So I've come to the end of my video today, and then my name is Ganny and this is Grow With Ganny. I will see you in my next video, and thanks for watching. Thank you and see you. Bye.